What steps should I take to become an Amazon PPC expert? First, find a really good way for you to learn. Either you're a visual learner, either you are learning while doing, either you like to read. So find the way how you learn the fastest way. And then based on that, find someone whose content you really enjoy. The way how they are describing you things, the way how they are explaining you things, the way how they relate to you, the way how they talk, how fast, how smooth, how intelligent, how confusing. Those are going to be the things that make you stay with that person or not. Choose only one of those people. Giving you a quick example, most people don't know, but I am going to expect. We're going to have babies very soon. Based on that, what I did on my end, I would treat exactly the same way. The process with Amazon ads is just a different topic. But right now, what was really important for me is to learn as much as possible when it comes down to pregnancy, when it comes down to delivery, when it comes down, postpartum. So learning all those steps. What I noticed is that previously, even 6 months ago, even a year ago, I was so scattered. Whenever I was looking for information, I had these 10 or 20 people that I would go to, and then even more information and even more. And what I noticed is that not only that I became super overwhelmed when it comes down to information that is scattered all over the place that I found, but I became uninterested of the topic that was really top of mind, which made me believe that more people you're listening to, more doubts you're going to have, and less trust are you going to have towards if it works or not. So actually for this step that I'm just sharing with you and with my journey when it comes down to a topic that is unrelated, yet the same principle is that find the one person who you really connect with. For example, if you enjoy these sessions with me, go to my YouTube channel or go to my LinkedIn channel, depending on how you learn, and go through all my posts and videos. I'm going to answer all the questions, especially if you're a beginner and even intermediate, even advanced, because sharing advanced stuff as well, not just beginner stuff. Even if you're at that level, just go through all the topics and see which are the things that you're really interested in. Because all these questions are coming out, yes, they're Amazon PPC, that's the main topic, but they're all relevant to advertising, and they might be answering exactly the question that you did not know how to ask, or you did not know even to think of. Highly recommending, so I can sum it up. Find the one person that is really helpful for you, that you can resonate with, and to go through all their content. Do not go to anything else or anyone else. Reason for that is because very quickly you're going to get oversaturated with lots of information, right? And then the next thing is that you're not going to actually learn.